Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, perfect for managing dynamic IP situations. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your dynamic IP needs. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for dynamic IP users? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your real IP address stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, stopping your actual IP from accidentally being exposed. Plus, all 3 have had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't keep records of the IP addresses you connect from or to. But where they differ, that's what really counts when you're dealing with dynamic IPs. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best pick for dynamic IP because of its speed and privacy-focused features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data gets wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for anyone worried about traceability from constantly changing IPs. Another cool feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could try to exploit your changing IP or track you even when the VPN is off. It also has a neat tool called MeshNet, letting you securely connect with your devices or friends, no matter where your IP jumps next. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They offer unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect all your devices even if your dynamic IP hops around a lot. But PIA's biggest strength is radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software. So any tech-savvy user worried about how IP changes are handled can peek at their code for backdoors. And get this, their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than just a promise, it's been put to the test. Then there's IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? They own and operate their entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, full control over all their gear, which means a more stable connection, even when your dynamic IP flips. And for anyone struggling with inconsistent connections caused by dynamic IP switches, it offers a SOC 5 proxy for more stable routing, which can help cut down interruptions. Just keep in mind you're giving up an extra layer of encryption for that extra stability. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one performs best for dynamic IP management? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, thanks to its custom NordLinks technology. That means faster connections and smooth switching when your IP changes. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering solid stability with the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests showed its performance varies, especially with frequent IP changes. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Pick NordVPN if top speed and seamless IP switching are your top priorities, or if you want the best all-around VPN with the most features to handle dynamic IP challenges. Go with IPVanish if you have tons of devices or a household that needs simultaneous protection with a stable connection despite IP changes. And finally, choose PIA if you're on a budget or want proven no-logs privacy with open source transparency. Perfect if you care deeply about how your dynamic IP info is handled. And that's it. We're out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running to handle your dynamic IP. See you soon.